Xi Jinping to meet Prime Minister Modi in Chennai. Manipur observes World Mental Health Week 2019. And Manipur government observes 70th Territorial Army Day. Hello and good afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria. Let's have the news in details. Chinese President Xi Jinping will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Chennai on Friday for the second informal summit between the two leaders after Wuhan last year, a media report said. The forthcoming Chennai informal summit will provide an opportunity for the two leaders to continue their discussions on overreaching issues of bilateral, regional and global importance and to exchange views on deepening India-China closer development partnership, the Chinese Foreign Ministry said in the statement. Prime Minister Modi and President Xi had their inaugural informal summit in China's Wuhan on April 27-28 last year. The meeting this year is expected to be held in Mamallapuram, a 7th century heritage site located 56 km from Tamil Nadu's capital, Chennai. Observing the World Mental Health Week 2019, a program on the theme Mental Health Promotion and Suicide Prevention was held today at Wangoi Community Hall Center Auditorium Hall, Wangoi. The event was organized jointly by Share and Care SAC, Wangkaining Tempo Krimapal, Imphal East and Community Health Center, Wangoi. Head of Psychiatry Department, RIMS, Imphal, Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin said that the main objective of organizing the function is to give awareness to the masses on mental health and to impart knowledge on suicide prevention measures among the family members. He also said that today people are committing suicide due to several reasons such as excessive stress, depression, failed marriage or broken relationship, drugs, poor financial condition, examination issue, and many more. Such stigma can be dealt with proper awareness and acute counseling by the experts so that those people with such intention can be brought to positive life, he added. Government of Manipur observes 70th Territorial Army Day at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Banquet Hall today. Chief Minister of Manipur Nongthombam Biren and Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar took the dais on the occasion. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam, Education Minister T. Radheshyam and MLA of Thanga constituency Kongkham Robindro along with the top army officials were also present at the observance.
Our our youth are so energetic, so innovative, and they want to do something, but earlier we were not giving them the space to work. We were never giving them to space to explore their ideas. So this is all because of our all efforts, and I thank all of you and the people of the state. I also assure you that the state government will extend all support to ensure that the security environment in the state continues to improve so that development momentum, as I mentioned just right now, in the state is maintained.
But if you come to Northeast, it's a place like Manipur. Here, the personnels look different from the local populace. And that they are not able to talk, most of them. And so many things, problems are there because of that. It is very, very difficult for the personnels of the army, CRPF and the BSF to merge or to be able to come to terms with the local population. This is where I think the importance of territorial army is to be noted and to be appreciated.
Turkey says it is ready to advance into northeast Syria now that the United States has begun withdrawing troops from the Turkey. Syria frontier in an abrupt policy safe by U.S. President Donald Trump, widely criticized in Washington as a betrayal of America's allies, the Kurds. According to the media reports, Turkey's military struck the Syrian-Iraqi border to prevent Kurdish forces using the route to reinforce northeast Syria, as Ankara prepared to attack following a surprise U.S. troop pullback, Turkish officials told Reuters on Tuesday. Turkey says it is ready to advance into northeast Syria now that the United States has begun withdrawing troops from the Turkey-Syria frontier in an abrupt policy set by U.S. President Donald Trump, widely criticized in Washington as a betrayal of America's allies, the Kurds. As Turkey's troops finalized plans, the government's scheme to move millions of refugees into conquered territory in northeast Syria is alarming some Western allies as much as the military operation itself. The Naga People's Front (NPF) welcomed the Union Home Minister Amit Shah's declaration on Saturday that a special clause would be incorporated into the Citizenship Amendment Bill (CAB) in order to protect the interests of the Northeast states, particularly Nagaland, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh. They appreciated Conrad Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and Zoramthanga, Chief Minister of Mizoram, for taking the right stand against Citizenship Amendment Bill from day one. The opposition NPF said that the simple belief of Chief Minister Nephew Rio that Nagaland is protected under such provisions has been proved wrong, with the Union Home Minister declaring that a special clause would be incorporated in the bill to protect the Northeast states, including Nagaland. Now, we have a short commercial break, but coming up next.
Nupi aikoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi akhoi chingnaningai oidre. Aikoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Takadoriba ningol chakobada set innabagidamak quality leiraba ahongba mamalda pinabagidamak sem saduna leiraba Naga Mapal Ima Kaithel opposite ki first floor da leiba Showers Boutique showroom inat ki oiba apama makhalgi firol suna phangadaba showroom loinana Christian singi wedding da seasonaba wedding gown su mafam asida phangbigen
nupi kaktagi natana angang sing amadi jeans ki pants shirt half pant coat vest coat kurta pajama faijom kurkur faijom amadi ready made faijom makal suna phangaw mafam yam nuayo paw mana mafam masida adom adom gi apam design kuding makki order sulok jari amtang lengsin biro khwai brahmapur Naga Mapal Ima Kaithel gi opposite gi fast floor da leiba Showers Boutique.
Welcome back. The Yamagata International Documentary Film Festival 2019, which will commence in Japan's northern city Yamagata from October 10 to 17, will feature 16 documentaries from Northeast. The documentary films will be screened under a special section, Rustle of Spring, Wave of Gunpowder, Documentaries from Northeast India, a statement said. The program has been set by the Festival Authority in collaboration with the Sasakawa Peace Foundation as a part of their ongoing initiative entitled Preserving and Sharing the Histories and Memories of Northeast India, Film Society of Manipur said in statement on Tuesday. The Sasakawa Peace Foundation has invited legendary filmmaker Aribam Syam Sharma and young filmmaker Hawam Pavan Kumar from Manipur to attend the festival and deliver talks in the post-screening events. Paryatan Parv 2019 is observed in the state from 2nd till 13th of this month. In connection to this, a state-level quiz competition was held at Gandhi Memorial Imphal today. Chief Minister N. Biren, along with the Chairman of Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh, attended the event as the main guest. In connection with the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the BJP State Unit President KSH Babananda kicked off the Sankalp Yatra at Galagam Lengthol Playground of Moreh. As a part of the event, roads and other locations including Ima Konthong Lairembi Shrine at Moreh were cleaned up by the participants. The event was also attended by Vice President of Manipur BJP State Unit, ADC members and leaders of different Moreh West social organizations. Maijao Gram Panchayat organized the second special Gram Sabha at Pothabi Bazar Community Hall in connection with Shramdan campaign. The special Gram Panchayat aims to promote Gram Panchayat Development Plan GPDP under People's Plan Campaign 2019 and avail the benefits of Swachhata Pakhwada 2019. Pradhan of Lairanjam Maijao Gram Panchayat T. Manglemba, former Jila Parishad L. Surchandra and BDO A. Roman of Wangoy Block, Imphal West, were the main attendees of the Gram Sabha. Officials of Horticulture, Agriculture, Veterinary, PHED, Minor Irrigation, CAF, and PD, Education and Fishery Department attended as a resource person who educated the people about the development works taken up by the government Pradhan. T. Manglemba urged the people not to take the job card money without doing any work and urged that they should support the development works taken up by the Panchayat. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Imphal West Commando arrested a man along with 20 grams of suspected brown sugar during a house search at Phobitek Mayay-Laikai, Imphal West last afternoon. As per police reports, the arrested has been identified as 47 years old Mohammed Satar alias Itam of Phobitek Mayay-Laikai. He was later handed over to Wangoy Police Station along with the seized items for further legal action. Now, we have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Presenting India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 km per hour. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India famed to certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hill. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles, 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available. Financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangi Services at Malom Bajar, Imphal West, Manipur, or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87-877-23780.
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road, Imphal, Manipur.
Welcome back. Security forces in a joint operation have an armed cadre of the United Liberation Front of Assam Independent along with explosives at Tarani Sikaranjan under Penegiri police station in Assam's Tinsukia district on Tuesday. On the basis of secret information, the anti-insurgency operation was carried out jointly by the Tinsukia Police, 210 Cobra Battalion of the CRPF, 223 Punjab Regiment and 21 Para-Security Force. During the operation, the Joint Operation Team was able to nab the dreaded ULFA cadre who was trained in the Myanmar camp of the outfit. The security force personnel recovered 2 electric detonators, 2 IED circuits, 3 batteries of 9.6 volt, 1 battery-operated remote control, 12 kg of TNT, 1 torchlight and a bag from the possession of the militant. The third edition of 3-day-long Butterfly and Biodiversity Meet, Pasigat, has begun at Ladam village in Arunachal Pradesh on Tuesday. According to the media reports, the meet is participated by Pasigat West MLA Ninong Ering, East Siang District Deputy Commissioner Dr. Kini Singh among several butterfly and wildlife experts, enthusiasts, tourists, natural lovers, environmentalists, research scholars and ecologists. Now let's have the sports news. National Students Union of India, Manipur, today conducted the first state-level mini-marathon under the theme Run for Peace, Unity and Progress, commemorating the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The marathon was flagged off by President of NSUI Manipur, P. Bankim Chandra Mite, from Manipur University and culminated at the Western Gate of Kangla. More than 60 students took part in it. Bankim Chandra said that the main aim of organizing such event is to bring peace and unity in the state through the spirit of games and sports, and also to give a platform for everyone from different communities.
Ngasigi society da citizenship amendment bill na chingba akoi ngarang na handa hujik thokalai ba issue akoi gi BJP sarkar na akoi gi namphu da impose tawna na ba akoi gi Amit Shah na lauthokiba asigum na chingba sigi matang da akoi instability myam ama state sida turmoil lakadabagi asigumba mayam ama ngaidana leirabane pipeline da aduna haiba posak sing asidagi akoi kari karamba moong da tawgadage habdo NSUI na so in every angle, every step, every sphere da akoi hotnana ba akoi su sem sadana leijari habdo ngasigi mini marathon asigi khudong chaba lawraga so akoi wafam si thamjabane.
Despite an ordinary display in the T20I series, Sune led South Africa have momentum by their side as they take on an Indian side without the services of their star opener Smriti Mandhana. Indian skipper Mithali Raj will be playing her first ODI since February 28. Mithali has retired from T20I cricket and wants to continue playing ODI cricket till the next 50-over World Cup. Pooja Bastrakar has been named Mandhana's replacement. South African opener regained her form with a demolishing 47-ball, 84-run knock in the last T20I. Luz is in good form as well with a half-century in the same T20I. Now, let's have the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Biswajit assures completion of footbridges before Sangai Festival. 3 more held for assaulting kid, mom, man. All 14 remanded till October 14th. Pre-Park Pro greet on Foundation Day. Caution against Citizenship Amendment Bill sounded. Bell rung on opium migration wars. Bridge works likely to be delayed. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister calls for vitalizing weaker sections of society. Foot over bridge near Kangla Gate installed. campaign against poppy plantation held in Senapati. The fast-track court sentences drug peddler to 13 years rigorous imprisonment. Central team to examine state's drug laws report. Imphal Free Press. Serving the poor and needy is the greatest religion, says CM. RIMS rape case. JAC sets 30 days deadline for investigation. Make special investigation report public on funds misuse, demands Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization. Moral policing mob sent to police custody. The Naga People Front lauds Mizoram, Meghalaya Chief Minister on their Citizenship Amendment Bill stand. The Morning Bell. 14 accused persons involved in forced Kainyakatpa remanded to 7-day police custody. RIMS rape case. Accused remanded to judicial custody. Joint Action Committee threatens stare if culprit not booked at earliest. Drug smuggler Sahabuddin sentenced to 13 years rigorous imprisonment. Day-long public discussion on Manipur Merger Agreement 1949 held. Serving poor and needy people, the greatest religion, says CM. Manipur Mail. Serving poor and needy people is the greatest religion, says CM. Yamagata Film Festival to show 5 Manipuri documentaries. Pre-Pak Chief's message. Poppy cultivation threatens fabrics of society, says DGP.
Before we wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Chinese President Xi Jinping to meet Prime Minister Modi in Chennai. Manipur observes World Mental Health Week 2019. And Manipur government observes 70th Territorial Army Day. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.